A tasket, a tasket, a brown and yellow basket. I sent a letter to my mommy, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little girlie picked it up and put it in her pocket. She was pecking on down the avenue, not a single thing to do. She went peck, peck, pecking all around. When she spied it on the ground, she took it, my little yellow basket. And if she doesn't bring it back, I think that I will die. A tasket, I lost my yellow basket, and if that girlie don't return it, I don't know what I'll do. Oh gee, I wonder where my basket gotta be. Oh gee, I wonder where that girl I could see. With that basket of mine, that itty bitty basket was the joy of mine. A tasket, I lost my yellow basket. Won't someone tell that girl to